Stephen Holloway, and today I'm going to be opening 3 packs of Lego minifigures. A pack from Series 16, the Lego Batman movie, and Disney. And obviously I don't have any besides the Lego Batman movie so far, so I'm going to start with the Disney. I'm not even a big fan of Disney, but for the hell of it. I think I got Felix the Cat. Wait, is his name Felix the Cat? I don't know, it's been years since I watched Alice in Wonderland. But he's okay, I guess. You can take him or leave him. But the worst thing is, he doesn't even come with an accessory. You're all going to be trying to say, oh yeah, we'll neither do Mickey Mouse, Leela, or Stitch. Mickey Mouse, Stitch, the Alien, Buzz. But, you know, they're all actual memorable characters. I don't remember this guy one bit. I gotta admit, he does have some nice stripes going across him. So, right, now to move on to the Lego Batman one. Obviously, if you watch my Lego Batman minifigure collection so far, you know I've got I've got 3 Batman, three of the Batmans. Oh, who's it? Oh, it's Harrich again. I already got it, but just now I can make a bunny army. Thinking, what the hell are you gonna do if you don't field bits first?
Look more yet?
Nearly.
Taking pictures of them then?
Now I'm recording it.
Recording it?
Yeah.
You recording it?
The opening of them. Now the Series 16 one. Sorry about that. Yes, I got a good. I finally got a good one. I got the Cyborg Girl. I think that's her name, is it? No, but yes, I've got her. And she's the one that looks the deadliest out of all of them. Nice. Feels wide. I have no idea. She does look quite tough. I love the half robot face painting. And the clips. I think they used this back on before the Lego Batman figure in that Superman rooftop battle. And all the characters, the ones I want to get the most are Buzz Lightyear, the genie from Aladdin, Captain Peter Pan Syndrome, Mr. Incredible, and Mickey Mouse, because he's Mickey Mouse. And that's just from the Disney one. From the Series 16, I want to get that photographer, that mountain hiker, the pirate, the penguin boy, the devil boy, the banana guy, the babysitter, and the spy. So basically all of them. Oh yeah, the boxer and the dog show winner. For the Lego Batman series, they don't really have any ones I want. Because, well, the only real ones I want are Red Hood, Catman, and Orca. Because I bought a racer offline and he's going to be coming soon. So, yeah, this is Nolan. And now I'm going to fit these minifigures into my minifigure arm. See, I'm not going to give any spoilers of what's going to happen when I get like every single version of one of the figures, but at least one of every single one of the collectible minifigures. Shit. So like that. But let's just say it's going to be hilarious. It's going to be a stop. All I'm going to say is it's a stop motion thing, and there's going to be a lot of heroes included. Okay, this was even on way. Goodbye. I'll be sure to check out all more videos. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.